Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read minami or nan in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means south. It has 9 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like none. On its own, it is usually minami. A warm, sheltered frame, the sunny southern side of a house. Now let's write it. 9 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Minami means south. Minamiguchi means south exit. And tounan means southeast. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Uchi, read uchi, inside. Ryou, read ryou, both. So that's minami, south. 9 strokes, read minami or none. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow!